Hey, hello friends. In this video I will show you how to take off the clutch cover and clutch disc, full clutch. For that you need to take off these two fairing. I have it over here. You have 5 bolts and 3 bolts for this one. Okay. Let's work. What I could say. You need a hexagon 5. For these bolts over here. In my country it says imbus de 5. And let me put the camera in the stand. Now I can work with 2 hands. First of all, you need to disconnect the clutch cable from over here. The clutch spring is a little bit harder. But let's do it in no others variant like that. Okay. From this adjuster you will make the RPM lower or faster when you stay in neutral or stop it. This cable from the adjuster is going directly to the carburetor. I hope you understand it. This cover over here, she have a new gasket, but it's not original, and she's not handmade. Was a good gasket. The clutch show better. he's in a good shape. This is 10 millimeters over here. Recently I saw the Newton meter torque for this bolt is for 8 Newton meter. 8, only 8. Now I see if you take off the clutch cover, you have more space to work on chain tensioner, at the timing chain tensioner. Now, do you see a disc mark over here? It's only over here. You must respect this position. When you take it off, this part, and you put back, you have mark over here. Do you see? It's 2 mark. Put like that. Mark here, mark here. Somebody work here too, because I have safety of the nut. Is not in good shape. Is heated by a screwdriver and hammer. No problem. The clutch disc is in very good shape, and she have much though I don't know what say clutch material on it, but this disc she's a little bit burned. I hope she's only the first one. I hope so. Nope. Anyway, she's working. Doesn't matter. Too much, but she after the material after is burned, the properties of the metal come a little bit soft, and when you use clutch, racing start or burnout, the life timing of this clutch is very low. Oh wow. She's like operation with no oil. This one is good. Okay. Now I will only want to show you how to do this operation by yourself. And now I will show you how to put it back. When you put a new clutch on your motorcycle, the clutch must be inundated, or must be I don't know how to tell you, in oil. Don't put it dry, only with oil. Use oil. Engine oil, of course. Now, don't forget about the marks. Okay? Mark. Okay. Now you put the spring bolts and use only 8 Newton meters. Torque 8. And now pull the cover back. To put the cover back, you need to put this over like that in a vertical position with teeth to bring in this hole, and she will automatically adjust from here. You have to mark over here too. Do you see that arrow and that punct? Your lever must be like that when the cover is in the normal back position. Let's do it. The clutch is in operating position. Okay. Now put the all bolt back and even this adjuster mount. Hexagon 5. Gravity win. I lost the bolt. Okay, when you tight the cover, do it in zigzag. First this one, second, then go back here, 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 and the last one. Okay, the clutch cable in the lever, and the job is done. The clutch lever is very firm, very good feeling. Now I will put the fairing back. First one over here, the big one under, and I will go home. Choose.